Good morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Today we are going to start, actually we have already start, it is in the last video unit 1, let's learn the grammar, and what we have completed in let's learn the grammar. Simple present tense we have completed and so many examples also we have taken from the simple present tense, and simple past also we have seen the things when we use simple past when the action is happened before, sometimes before a day, before a week, that time we use simple past tense. And if we have to say the routine work, that time the real fact, the universal truth, the habits, that time we use simple present tense. And which things the action is finished over, that time we use simple past tense. Now today we are going to see the future tense. Today we are going to see the future tense. What is there in the future tense? Basically future tense is used to show the future action. It is used to show the future action. That means right now we are not doing anything, but what we will do, हम आगे क्या करेंगे. If we are planning something, अगर हम कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं, अगर आप कहीं ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो या कहीं दूसरे स्टेट या कोई सिटी में जा रहे हो for to meet your relatives, so this all are your planning, it is your future plan. So to show the future action we use future tense. To show the future action we use future tense. अब like अगर आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, so what you will do, मैं अपना होमवर्क करूँगी. That means right now you have not started doing your homework, you are not completed your homework, but in future you will do. आप करोगे. So this is your future action. आप आपके अंकल के घर जाओगे. सो दिस इज़ योर फ्यूचर एक्शन. अभी आप नहीं गए हो बट विल गो टुमारो और डे आफ्टर टुमारो ऑल्सो, या आफ्टर 1 वीक भी आप जा सकते हो. सो दिस ऑल आर द फ्यूचर एक्शन. एंड टू शो द फ्यूचर एक्शन वी यूज फ्यूचर टेंस. And what we use in the future tense, there is a formula of future tense. Subject, whatever the subject you can take, shall or will plus V1 plus object. Now subject, shall or will plus verb plus object. Now some examples are there in your book. I just take that example only, then later I will take many examples by our own. So first example is there in your book. We shall play cricket in the evening. We shall play cricket in the evening. Now here you not started playing cricket. You are not playing cricket. You not completed playing cricket. आप शाम को क्रिकेट खेलोगे. That means it is your future plan to play cricket. That means this shall and will be used to show the future action. So here this sentence is totally fitting in this formula. Subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object. So here we are subject, shall we have taken here from here. Now play is our verb. Subject, this shall we have taken, this is our verb, and this cricket is the object. We shall play cricket in the evening, and in the evening this is your complements, right? Now again we'll take, but when to use shall and when to use will, this is also very necessary to know. When there is, I make small bracket here, when I and we is there, that time most of the time we use shall. And if the another subjects are there, that time we use he will, she will, it will, that will, like that. If any person's name is there, third person is there, you will, I will, and for I and we have to use shall. So here we have taken we shall. If here I shall, we shall, and if other subject is there, जब I और we रहता है तब हमको shall यूज़ करना है, और अगर कोई दूसरा सब्जेक्ट रहा तो तब हमको will यूज़ करना है. एंड एवरी टाइम shall will प्लस V1 ही रहेगा. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स राइट द सेकंड सेंटेंस. दे विल कम हियर. They will come here tomorrow to pay us a visit. Now here also they will come here tomorrow. वो लोग कल आएंगे, अभी आके नहीं गए हैं और अभी आने वाले नहीं है. They will come tomorrow, आएंगे. This is also the future action. So they will, what we used here, we used here they will come tomorrow. So this is our subject. And will we have taken from the formula. This is verb. They will come tomorrow to pay us a visit, right? This all are the complements. So we are all fitting this, all the sentence we are fitting in this formula. We are fitting here in this formula, and you just have to keep in your mind when I and we will be there, that time you have to use shall. Okay, now you just note down this all in your notebook, then I will take more examples of future tense. Now I hope student you have written this. Now I am rubbing this all. Now let's see more example of future tense. Formula I just write here, subjects plus shall or will plus V1 plus object. Now let's write more example of future tense. So the first, let's write a subject. I write here I. मैं घर जाके खाना खाऊंगी. I will, sorry, I shall eat. I shall eat food. I shall eat food after going from school. After going from school. I shall eat food after going from school. Now the second, I will complete my homework. You will complete your homework. आप आपका होमवर्क कंप्लीट करोगे. You will complete your homework. Now I change here the subject. I take name. Reena will go to the market. रीना मार्केट जाएगी. Go to the market. Now Raj will purchase some पेन. राज कुछ पेन खरीदेगा. दैट मीन्स विल परचेज. रीना विल गो टू द मार्केट. रीना मार्केट जाएगी. राज विल परचेज सम पेन्स. यू विल कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क. आप आपका होमवर्क कंप्लीट करोगे. आई शैल ईट फूड आफ्टर गोइंग फ्रॉम द स्कूल. मैं स्कूल से घर जाके खाना खाऊंगी. सो दिस ऑल आर द फ्यूचर. नाउ अगेन, वी शैल celebrate birthday. Sorry, I take here. We shall celebrate my mother's birthday. My mother's birthday. Now we shall go to the picnic. हम पिकनिक पे जाएंगे. We shall go to the picnic. So like that sentence we can make by using the future tense. If you have to show the future action, then you can use this formula to make the future sentences. So here I have written these 6 sentences. You just note down this all the sentences in your notebook. These all are the examples. Like that only, as I have made these sentences here, so you also can make. Just take a verb and put in this formula. Subject, any subject you can take. Your friend's name, your father name, your mother, your brother, sister, any subject you can take and just take a verb and you can make a sentence. So the first one, you start writing this in your notebook, and I just read the sentence for you. I shall eat food after going from the school. You will complete your homework. Reena will go to the market. Raj will purchase some paints. We shall celebrate my mother's birthday. We shall go to the picnic. These sentences I have made here. You just note down this all in your notebook. Then one exercise is there in the textbook on page number 13. Write at least 2 sentences using the future tense to say what you will do after you return home from school. यहाँ आपको 1 सेंटेंस हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू, एक सेंटेंस ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है. द क्वेश्चन इज दैट आप स्कूल से जाके घर क्या क्या करोगे. सो यू हैव टू मेक 2 सेंटेंस ऑफ दैट. हियर विल सी दिस. फर्स्ट you complete this, then we'll see this exercise. You are not able to see this 6th one. So I just write this 6th one sentence upper this first one. Okay. What it was? We shall go to the picnic. The sentence was that here at the lower board you cannot see that, so I had just rubbed it from there and I have written it over here. Now I hope student, please write down fast, then we'll do this exercise to write at least 2 sentences using the future tense to say what you will do after you return home from school. आप स्कूल से घर आके क्या करते हो, ऐसे हमको 2 सेंटेंस बनाना है फ्यूचर टेंस का यूज करके. सो आई just rub here. First sentence is already written. which first sentence is there, I will first change my school uniform. जब आप स्कूल से घर जाते हो तो सबसे पहले you remove your shoes and then you change your uniform. So the first sentence is already written. I will first change my school uniform. फिर उसके बाद आप क्या करते हो? स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म चेंज कर दिया, शूज रिमूव कर दिए, यू केप्ट योर बैग ऑल्सो, बैग भी रख दिया ना. व्हाट वी डू, हम कोई हाथ पैर धोता है या कोई बात करता है. सो विल राइट I shall take a bath. I shall take a bath. Now here what, you change your uniform, you remove your shoes, then someone, कोई हाथ मुंह धोता है या कोई नहाता है. So I shall take a bath, then see what you do, then I will have my lunch, then I shall eat my lunch. सुबह आप टिफ़िन लेके स्कूल में आते हो, इट वॉज योर ब्रेकफास्ट. फिर यहाँ से घर जाते हो तो आपको बहुत भूख लगती होगी ऑब्वियसली. सो हम क्या करते हैं, घर जाके कपड़े चेंज करते हैं, कोई नहाता है या कोई हाथ पैर धोता है, फिर हम खाना खाते हैं. सो आई शैल ईट माई लंच. सो हियर हम यहाँ से स्कूल जाके क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं. सो वी हैव जस्ट मेड 2 सेंटेंस. द फर्स्ट वन वॉज ऑलरेडी रिटन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, द सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड वन वी जस्ट मेड हियर. So you just write down these sentences in your notebook also and here also in the textbook on page number 13. Now student, I give you the homework today. I write homework here. Make 5 sentences by using future tense. By using future tense to show your future plan. Now what you have to do in the homework, आपको 5 sentences बनाने हैं. आप फ्यूचर में क्या क्या करने वाले हो. So write down the 5 sentences, make 5 sentences by using future tense. Okay, now we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.